So Mila and Dada today, we're making a really long slime. Do you want to see how it works? Okay, let's start over. You want to start over? Okay. Yep, let's start again. Look what's happening here. Ooh. It's like a blanket, right?
No, it's not a blanket.
Yeah, it's a really long slime. Alright, let's start over. Let's mush it up. Alright, look at that.
Don't put the doll there. No. Don't put
Alright, mush it up, mush it up, mush it up, mush it up, mush it up. Look, it's all bubbly now, look. You wanna do it? Pop all those bubbles. Nice. Alright, now we're flattening it as flat as possible. And then you start stretching it. Stretching it from both ends. Everywhere.
Pretty beauty.
Stretching it from both sides.
It's Rapunzel movie there.
Yes, it is.
Rapunzel movie.
Yes, it is. It's easier to work with the warmer slime.
Stop taking a picture.
Okay, Mila wants me to stop, but this is what happening in.
Stop taking a picture.
Okay, one more finish. And finished product. Okay, let's go eat.